Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using black color and now we draw the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw D. The next one is E. The alphabet of F. And the next one is G. G for got. Kids, now we draw H. And the next one is I. Now we draw J. The next one is K. Now we draw L. The next one is M. Now we draw N. And the next one is O. P. The next one is Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we are draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.